Hi students, in this video I am going to discuss one of the problem given in 2021. Topic is limits and continuity and subtopic is inverse trigonometry. Here the problem is if limit extends to 0, sin of x minus tan of x by 3x cube value is L, then we have to find 6L plus 1. So generally whenever they given numerator by denominator under this limit concepts, we are always depending on L hospital rule. According to L hospital rule, first we have to find the derivative of numerator and then derivative of denominator. So see the first term derivative. What is the sin of x derivative? That is nothing but 1 by root of 1 minus x square minus tan of x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square divided by denominator derivative. 3 is a constant and x cube derivative is 3x square. So after finding numerator by denominator derivatives, then you are applying limit extends to 0. Okay, so once you substitute x equal to 0, suppose you are getting 0 by 0 form, then again you are applying the same method, L hospital rule. Okay, so until getting the answer you are keep on doing this same method. So here this is somewhat messy method, therefore I am going to apply the direct values of this sines of x and tans of x, and then I am trying to solve this problem. Okay, before going to discuss what are the sines of x and tans of expansions, let us see how these expansions are exist. So generally we know what is the e power x. So e power x expansion is x power 0 by 0 factorial plus x power 1 by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x power 3 by 3 factorial plus and so on. In this, if you take only odd powers with alternative sign, then you are getting sin x formula. Am I right? What is the sin x formula? That is x power 1 by 1 factorial minus x power 3 by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial minus and so on. Suppose if you take even powers with alternative signs, then you are getting cos x. What is cos x? Expansion. So x power 0 by 0 factorial minus x square by 2 factorial plus x power 6 by 6 factorial minus and so on. In the same way we can find tan x. So generally what is this tan x? How we can write tan x in terms of sin and cos means that is sin x by cos x. Okay, if you take this sin x expansion and cos x expansion, and if you are dividing sin x with cos x, finally we are getting tan x expansion is like this: x plus x cube by 3 plus 2 into x to the power 5 by 15 plus and so on. So like this we have e power x, sin x, cos x, tan x expansions. Similarly we have sines of x expansion. What is sines of expansion means? It is also consisting odd powers. So odd powers all are plus only. Okay, that is x plus x power 3 by 3. So before this we have 1 by 2 plus x power 5 by 5. So x power 5 by 5, the numerator consists odd numbers 1 into 3 and denominators 2 into 4 plus and so on. So like this the sines of x is exist. Next, tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x is which is like the same thing, but all the coefficients are 1 and we are getting alternative signs. So x minus x cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 5 minus x power 7 by 7. Okay, so these are the existing sines of x and tans of x expansions. Now I am going to use these two existing formulas in this problem. What is the problem? Limit extends to 0 sin inverse of x minus tan inverse of x by 3x cube. Actually in this problem the denominator is focusing x cube. So therefore I am going to restrict this series values up to x cube only. Okay, now what is sin x is nothing but this value. So x plus 1 by 2 into x cube by 3, which is nothing but x cube by 6 minus tan of x. Tan of x is nothing but x minus x cube by 3 divided by 3x cube, which is equals to, just I am solving this numerator and denominator values. Okay, so here you have a limit x tends to 0. So limit x tends to 0. Now see the numerator terms. After removing these brackets we are getting x plus x cube by 6 Next minus x minus and minus plus x cube by 3 divided by 3x cube. Here x and minus x get cancelled. Remaining value is x cube by 6 and x cube by 3. So x cube by 3 is last value. First value is x cube by 6. Here the LCM is 6. So after taking LCM, the first term becomes x cube, second term becomes 2x cube. So altogether we have 3x cube by 6. So that is numerator value is 3x cube by 6, and already have the denominator is 3x cube. Here these two get cancelled. So finally you are getting 1 by 6. Finally you are getting 1 by 6. Actually in the problem they are saying that this 1 by 6 is nothing but in the problem they already mentioned the result of this one is nothing but L. So which is nothing but L. So now what you have to find? You have to find 6L plus 1, that is nothing but 6 into L value 1 by 6 plus 1. Finally you are getting here 6 and 6 get cancelled. Finally you are getting 1 plus 1 which is equals to 2. So like this we can solve this problem. Okay, so again I am repeating this problem. The given limit x tends to 0, sin of x minus tan of x by 3x cube equal to L. Based on this we have to find 6L plus 1. There are two methods. One thing is applying L'Hospital rule. It is somewhat messy method, we already discussed. So therefore just I am recapping what type of sequences we have, what type of formulas we have. Yeah, so by using sines of x and tans of x direct expansions up to the term. So whatever the term you want, based on the term you can take the series. After that, after substituting the sines of x and tans of x values in this, finally you are getting L value is 1 by 6. So based on that, what are the terms or values you want, that and all we can find. Okay, so like this you can solve this type of problems. Thank you.